Fix Auto was great. I had a team come in shortly after I bought. They showed up, gave me the ropes, held me along the way, answered all my questions, and led me to basically my success.
The advice I would always give to anyone looking to be a franchisee is to really look for a franchise that includes you in decision-making, helps you be successful in what you do, provides support, guidance, but again, it's about the people.
I would describe my Fix Auto experience as learning, grateful, encouraging, profitable, thankful, appreciative, loving. It's a great place to work for.
And I haven't heard this with all franchises, but I mean, you call any of the leaders, any of the heads, and they're getting back to you. They make things happen. If you ask, the support's there.
Yeah.
And I don't hear that with other franchises. They always feel like they're left alone.
It's nice to have lots of friends you can call if you have questions, whether it would be tech advice or business advice or that kind of thing. So it's nice to work with a network of people that a lot of them have been in it for a number of years and we're new still. So yeah, there's always questions.
The Fix franchise was very important to us as well because they are the family that we were looking for.